Hi guys, good morning. So today I'm gonna go pick up a rental. I'm actually gonna pick up my little sister later tonight. I'm gonna meet up with my parents because they're gonna drop her off here for the weekend. So I'm very excited to hang out with her. You guys will see her later in the vlog, but I'm gonna go get Shabu first. I have to pick up the car and then get Shabu, and then we'll probably get like milk tea or something. And I also need to work on a few things on my iPad, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And yeah, we're gonna start off our day. I'm just waiting for my driver to take me to go get the car. That's what we're waiting for. I just made my own. So I made my own latte. I just used my Nespresso foam, my milk frother, and then I also used two Veluto espressos because those are like my favorite. And I also like Vivalto, but Vivalto is a little bit strong for me in the morning, so I like doing that a little bit later once I'm like already perked up and I need like just a little bit more energy. Yeah, I use my Veluto cups. And yeah, Luna is just gonna be here for a while, and I already fed her and everything, and I think I need to go to the bank. I just have like a bunch of errands to run today, so you guys are gonna follow me around. I feel a little bit better today. I've been feeling very depressed, should I say, about the surgery, because when you like evaluate your face for like 3 weeks and you expect it to change and it doesn't, like it kind of takes a toll on you. I've just been like sleeping all the time, but I decided that since my little sister was gonna come, I really need to like perk up my mood and everything. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll just bring you guys a day in my life, because I did take 2 weeks off of work and I didn't end up going back to work when the surgery was canceled because I just wanted to make sure that my mental health was okay. So my boss completely understands, and I have a lot of work from home, so I do have to get that done later today. Yeah, I also want to get my nails removed, my acrylics, and then I also want to get this gel removed because I want to do a different design on myself. But I also want to go to the Korean nail salon in Koreatown, so we'll see what I end up doing. I need to like make an appointment and all that, so yeah. But let's go ahead and get the day started. Hey guys, so I just picked up the rental, and like I said, I had to get it because my little sister is coming to visit me for a few days, and I have to take her back on Sunday, I believe, like Sunday or Saturday night, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, and I'm very excited to see her. She rarely sleeps over at my house just because it's so far from everything, and she usually goes to my aunt's house, which is a few miles away. But my aunt also has like a sister-in-law that's like not super close to Jasmine's age, but pretty close to Jasmine's age. So yeah, she goes over there more often, but I really like when she gets to hang out with me because I just like love hanging out with her. Like, I've always wanted a little sister, and then I went to foster care and my mom like adopted me, and then she had Jasmine. So yeah, I'm very happy that she's gonna come over, and I want to like cut my hair a little bit more because I just like found this blonde spot. I don't know, but I was thinking of also dyeing my hair like a chocolate brown, but I don't know, maybe I should just like leave my hair alone and just let it grow back. I'm just driving. It says that there's some delays. I don't know why, like I should have just took the freeway. So I'm gonna go to Bon Shabu, and I'm so excited because I'm so hungry. I've been craving Shabu for a really long time. I think the last time I had it was with Judy when we went to the Japanese Shabu place, and I haven't had it since then. Like, shocker. Like, oh my god, I really haven't. It's been so long, like months, I think. So I really want to go have it again, and I don't really want to do rice, but like you guys, I love rice. Okay, driving in LA at noon is just such a hassle. Like, there's just so much going on and there's so many cars, and then on top of that, like, the sun is beating in your face. So I just finished Shabu and it was so yummy, but I think I ate way too much. Like, I don't even know how many calories that was, because I also had what did I eat? I also had the like rice cakes and the japchae and like a bunch of other stuff, so it's not like I was thinking about calories there. I just don't have Shabu all the time, and I'm also having this ice cream. It's like snow ice milkshake, and Mimi got this flavor and I wanted hers so bad. So this is like the snow cone one, not snow cone one, but it's the milkshake flavor, and it actually tastes like the white rabbit, so it's really good and I really like it, but my hands are kind of freezing. So I'm trying to get to the freeway so I can go home, like, because I want to go home so bad, but this street is just insane, honestly. So yeah, I really miss Mimi a lot. She's like, we talk to each other like every single day. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I can't be on the phone for like an hour, you know, but it's fun. It's really fun. Yeah, I'm just gonna go home. I also might go to a nail salon close to my house, because the one that is in Marina is like too far to go to right now, and I just like don't feel like sitting in traffic on the way back to go home. So I'm going to probably just go to a place next to my house and have them remove the overlay on my fingers, and then also the gel, and then that way it'll be easier for me to do my own nails. But I ordered some chrome stuff and like different like glitters and stuff like that for my nails on AliExpress. That's like the best place to get your nail supplies. Like, if you're not getting it on there, I don't know what the hell you're doing, because everywhere else is so expensive. Amazon is way overpriced, and I don't think I will purchase nail stuff ever on Amazon because it's way too much. I'm just gonna head home. I'm gonna calculate my spending today and see how much I spent, so I can add it to this this other video that I'm doing for you guys, because it's really trippy. Yeah, but anyway, this video like of like what I spend in a week is gonna be absolutely absurd, but I'll also account to, like, you know, I'll also do another one that like doesn't include my bills, because my bills just so happen to fall on the day that I wanted to film the video. I have like so many videos for you guys. I'm so excited. I'm gonna film a night routine on like next week probably, just so I can have that, and then I will have that posted for you guys like whenever I film it, because I like posting like almost right away. I don't really like waiting for my videos to go live unless it has to be approved or something. I'm just gonna head home, and I don't know what I'm gonna do about my nails. See you guys when I get home. Bye. I just got home. I'm so exhausted. I'm so exhausted. This might be a better profile for me than this side. Whatever. I have to edit one of my videos, just like the description bar, and then I'm gonna post it on, what's today, Thursday, Friday, probably on Saturday. But I want to film one more video, and then I actually want to see if Luna wants to go for a walk, and I want to like make a video out of that, but I don't know, we might do that tomorrow or like the day after, or probably like next week. I really don't know. You guys want to see, I only did 621 steps today. I haven't been walking much, but yeah, I'm just like really tired, and I always get tired when I have to drive and it's sunny outside, because it gives me a headache, and I have to pick up my little sister later. Like, we have to meet up, and then I have to get her from wherever she is. Yeah, I don't know where we're gonna meet up, but I'm just like exhausted. I should probably clean up the house a little bit, maybe. What do you think, Luna? What do you think, Luna? You look so tiny. I didn't end up going to bed last night until like 3 in the morning, and then I woke up at 9, and I woke up pretty late because I had to pick up the car at 10, but I ended up showing up there at 1. It's not like there's anyone there waiting for me. It's just like you have to unlock the car with your phone. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to take a nap for like an hour because I'm gonna wait for my video to upload. It's only on 720 and I want it to be in 1080. I'm going to just wait for it to be done exporting from Final Cut, and then I'm gonna upload it to YouTube. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a nap because I'm so tired. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. I just woke up from my nap and it's like dark outside, so I'm like, what the hell? I need to get a few packages. I think they're outside. And I just got a few packages. I don't really know like what's what. These are just like papers. So these are, so I ordered like these little rings for my bag that I got, and these 3 sizes. I only need 2 of them. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of this, but I think like these are good. So I'm just gonna do the dishes right now because it's so messy, and then I'm gonna make a cappuccino because I'm like gonna fall asleep. I don't know why. So I'm gonna make a cappuccino, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just do the dishes. I hope there's nothing in here. Okay, good. So I don't know why the housekeeper like left that in there. It's weird. Yeah, I just want to clean up before my little sister gets here, so it's not like so crazy messy. So I'm just gonna throw things in the dishwasher, to be honest. I'm gonna go ahead and start the dishwasher. It's not really full, but I don't really have anything else to throw in there. And then I made my cappuccino. Should be good. I've been debating on going to get my my like overlay removed, but I'm just like too lazy right now, and it's already, let me see, it's already 7:28, so I'm gonna wait and see if Jocelyn is gonna be here like really soon. If they're kind of far away or like an hour away, then I'll just continue. So I have like all of my nail stuff in here. I'm waiting for some more things to arrive, so I cannot wait to show you guys. Like everything I got is so cute. I got some chrome, and these are just like extra stones. And then here I have like some shells. These are like shells and starfish. Yeah, like seashells, starfish, a feather. Yeah, that's super cute. And I was thinking I could do that with like glitter, but I don't feel like doing that right now. I just like want to take these off and just like, I don't know, but I want something on it. These pearls are also really cute. I don't know, I'm kind of like over the these gold ones. I've used those before, but I'm just gonna go ahead and file off the gel, and then I'm just gonna soak them for a bit, and then hopefully like Jasmine will be close by so I can go get her. I don't know what we're gonna do today. I don't think we're gonna do anything today. I think we're just gonna wait until tomorrow. So I'm just gonna remove my Hi you guys, so I just got home. A lot has happened since I updated you guys. I think I was like unboxing packages, but my little sister is here now, and I went to go pick her up. I dropped off my parents at the airport, and I had to help my mom with all of the passport stuff because she wasn't even checked into her flight, and then she like misinterpreted the Volaris like check-in requirements and all that stuff. Like she thought that she was only able to bring one bag for the both of them, for my mom and my dad. So I had to help them with that. After that, I just drove my little sister and I home because I'm just like so tired. But I haven't eaten anything after Shabu. Like, I don't know why, I just don't feel hungry. And I read somewhere that you're not supposed to eat if you're not hungry. So I'm just gonna drink some water. Did I even finish my cappuccino from earlier? Ready to go to bed, but Jocelyn is awake, so. Yeah, I'll show you guys her in a bit. She is showering, so this has been a crazy day in my life, even though I didn't show you guys the airport traffic and everything. It's just so crazy. So yeah, you guys will see Jazz in a bit after she's done showering.
My friend today, I had this like crunchy like Kinder Surprise like thing.
Bye guys, good night. We're gonna go to bed. I'm gonna take my makeup off.
Bye.
It still looks good. I'll leave my current makeup routine, my everyday makeup routine down below. We're watching Rugrats. And I'm gonna close out for the night. Yeah, we're gonna go to bed. Say goodnight.
Bye.
Stop doing that. Do that again.
Good night.
She's eating shrimp chips in bed. You're not allowed to eat in bed. Don't spill them. There's a lot of rolls that she's not used to, but if she wants to come over, she'll get used to them. So I'm gonna head to bed and take my makeup off because it takes me like 20 minutes to do that. And then take some stuff to the recycling and clean up a little bit. I'm so tired right now and I'm hungry.
I feel hungry too, but like I'm not. Is that weird?
I'm hungry. I might make something to eat, but I won't show you guys. So bye. Good night. That was a day in my life, and she's like half out the window. So that was a day in my life. This was a little bit crazier than usual because Jocelyn is never over actually. So if I was
never over for more than 20 minutes.
If I was by myself, I probably would have gone to dinner down below or something, but we have a long day tomorrow, so I'm gonna do a weekend in my life, and I'm also going to film some videos with Jazz.
Save that for 20.
Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Oh my god, my my face looks so yellow. Bye.
My bad.
Sweetie, I'm calling mom. Where's my phone? Bye guys.
I got that from 4.
See you guys tomorrow.
Bye.